The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is 3rd of February, and we are commemorating Saint Blaise, patron of all the people suffering from illnesses of the throat. And so through the intercession of Saint Blaise, we pray for those people who are sick. In our Gospel from St. Mark chapter 5, verses 1 to 20, this is all about a man being possessed by evil spirit. And the evil spirit, the legion, pleaded on Jesus. They said, "Do not destroy us. Rather allow us to be there on the swine." And Jesus said, "Go." And the people didn't like it. They care more on the swine that were destroyed more than the salvation of one. Which is more important? A man being healed, being freed from evil, or the group of swine that were destroyed? Here, we can see our priority. We can see how far can we extend our real concern and love for other people. More often, we care more on our personal survival more than a real concern on the flight of our suffering brothers and sisters. If it would mean making great sacrifices, even on our personal things and on our personal happiness, but if that would mean salvation of others and bringing others closer to Jesus, what is a little inconvenience in exchange for the salvation of soul? Know your priority and know where your charity truly tends to help. Are we helping others for our self-preservation, or are we helping others simply because we are seeing Jesus in them? God bless you.